Ever wondered what users really think about an app? And if you can automatically find out. First, we'll need to install the Google Play Scraper library. Think of it as our key to unlock the app reviews on Google Play. Open your terminal or command prompt and use pip to install it. This gives Python the tools it needs to talk to the Play Store. Now, copy and paste this Python code. Replace example with the actual package name of the app you're interested in. This code tells Python to scrape a specified number of reviews. Here we have set it to 100 and store them for analysis. With the reviews extracted, you'll have a dataset containing information like the review text, rating, and author. Take a look at your reviews and its rating, displayed in columns. Next, let's bring in TextBlob, a user-friendly library for sentiment analysis. Install it using pip. The same way we installed the scraper, TextBlob helps us determine if a review is positive, negative, or neutral. Now, with TextBlob, we loop through each review, analyze the sentiment, and assign a score. A score closer to 1 indicates a positive sentiment, while a score closer to 1 indicates a negative sentiment. Finally, visualize the results. Create a bar graph showing the distribution of positive, negative, and neutral sentiments. This gives you a quick overview of user opinions about the app. With this new information, you can see what can be improved for users.